It's lovely here. I love Denver. I love the weather. I have seasons for the first time in my life. But being a skinny guy from Florida, I'm cold. I'm very cold all the time. Nice to meet you. I'm cold.
Hey there, I'm Daniel Reskin, Denver comedian, and today we're looking for some outdoor adventure. So we're headed to the foothills. Come on, let's go. Okay, so here we are, and I'm with the CEO of Lawson Adventure Park, Greg Books. What's up, Greg?
Hey, nice to meet you. Thanks for being here.
I am ready to adventure. And so when I'm thinking adventure, I'm thinking swimming with the sharks. I'm thinking getting on a Greyhound bus blindfolded and seeing where I end up. All you can eat shrimp buffet, hottest day of summer, and hitting the roller coaster. You got something like that?
I think maybe a little less nausea, no sharks.
Okay, less nausea-based adventures. I can get into that.
Here we have 12 activities, via ferrata, zip line, rafting.
And mountain sharks?
No sharks.
Do you do any kind of discounts or group rates?
Yeah, we do discounts for groups and families.
Families. Families. Thanks. Be right back.
Okay.
I'm so excited to introduce you to my real-life family that I did not just meet in the parking lot. Hi, family.
Okay, I didn't know we were gonna be filming. I thought you just wanted the family discount.
I can't believe you said yes to this.
You guys are so, oh, you know, Mom and Dad always joke. You see where I get it from? All right, who's ready for some family fun?
Okay.
Good enough. So cool to be out here, just the two of us. It's father and son.
Okay.
You know, now that everyone's gone, you go ahead and tell me I'm your favorite, right?
You know, I think it's time we had the talk.
Oh, no. Okay. Yo, little bro, I'll catch up with you, Dad. Little bro. Not sure if this is the same kind of harness I'm used to, but yes. I'm gonna have to de-fanny. It's the most important survival tool. You know, we don't have to do this, right? You know, there's no shame in keeping our feet on the ground.
We're good.
We're good.
So who wants to go first?
I'll go.
I'll go with you.
Hey, Silas, you wanna go play some video games or something?
Daniel, I believe in you. It's gonna be all right.
Thank you. I believe in me too. I believe in me 2 feet on the ground.
You gonna go next?
I'll be right behind you. I'm gonna start just a little stretch. Thanks, Pops. I'll be,
Okay.
right behind you.
We'll see you on the other side.
Yeah, we will. Ma! Are you supposed to wait 30 minutes after you eat? I had those red vines. Ma!
Not your mom.
Is that? I think I'm pretty high. Is that my apartment? Where'd the hand things go? Oh, Lord. Oh, God, it moves. Oh, baby. Ultimate warrior. I don't know if I want to do this, Mom. Why did you make me do this?
Daniel, you're doing great. Look how far you've come. We're having fun. Just relax.
Look, I never asked to be a part of this family.
Yeah, you did.
Look, I'm just not sure I want to. Okay, this is pretty cool. Yes! Mom, oh, I knew we could do it. Thanks, I always believed in us. This is so awesome. Who's ready for more?
Yeah! Let's go!
Daniel, 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 Daniel.
I had such a great time here today. I learned a thing or two about courage, and dare I say, a thing or two about family. Group hug time, huh? Let's bring it in. Let's bring it in for that family group hug. Yeah, Uncle Greg, get in here. Yeah, bring it in. Ah, where are we going for dinner? Huh? Let's go. Shotgun, front seat.